Hello guys, welcome to the designer video. And this second video we learn and how to install a Java JDK for Windows 10. We go to the Google page. Let's get started. And right download Java JDK on the official page. Oh, this page now is updated and have any change. You may click here. You must select a system operating system of the computer. In my case is Windows 64-bit. However, if you don't know what is, well, select search and write my PC before you may check what computer do you have or what type of computer do you have. Okay, click there. Okay, that's right. And then finally, when you finish download that execute, you may search where is the file. The file is in hard disk, and what are you looking for? Well, I'm looking for the file Java JDK. Where is the file Java JDK? The file is in the hard disk. Click here and click there, and this is the best part. Look at this. Well, that's all. Thank you for watching and see you the next video. Don't forget to subscribe in my channel. Okay, thank you.